This is a brief presentation to show some tests we did on the repair hang tabs being used by the chain stores, supermarket chain stores, and we started off with 7 sample hang tabs, some acrylic and some hot melt adhesives. Each bag was labelled with the sample it was being used with, and then as the bags were tested and failed, that sample bag would be replaced with some of its labels so we could see when it failed in reference to the other hang tabs. We had some samples provided from Big W staff. We believe it's Checkpoint samples, which are hot melt adhesive samples. Here we're preparing the packs, 1 kilogram packs of confectionery. This is one of the more common uses for the hang tabs in repair format. Obviously, the heavier the bag, the more likely it's going to fail by its hanging whole. So statistically, you'd expect 1 kilogram bags to fail more often than 500 gram bags or lower. The test was set up with 7 different hang tabs, some hot melt and some acrylic adhesive. As we'll later find out, the hot melt adhesive is the more suitable one for this type of application. The first sample to fail or begin to fail was the sample 4, and here we see a picture of how the hang tab starts to peel away from the pack. It is an acrylic adhesive here. Within 45 minutes, that sample we labelled sample 4 failed. Next one to fail, again an acrylic adhesive, sample 2, beginning to fail, as you can see. And within 50 minutes that sample had failed. These accelerated tests do tell us a good deal about what we can expect in longer trials with lower weights. Final acrylic adhesive sample 6, failing there, and that sample failed within 83 minutes. The only samples left are the hot melt adhesive. And the first hot melt adhesive tab to fail was our stock hang tab, Big W, the Checkpoint, and you can see that beginning to fail there. And that one failed within 9 hours. The next hot melt adhesive hang tab to fail is our sample 1, and that one's beginning to fail there at 21 hours time. So there it's failed at this point at 21 hours. An improvement of say 140% time. That was the same size, same thickness as the Checkpoint 1, just our hot melt adhesive. Next sample to fail, a good time later, is our sample 5 hot melt. This is a thin version of the hang tab being provided to the larger Woolworths group, only with a hot melt adhesive. This one failed at 45 hours. So we're beginning to get usable life, but still nowhere near enough for what you'd need in store. The final tab to fail was the hot melt version of hang tab being used by the Woolworths store, and this one failed just after 57 hours, and they've all failed. Conclusion: hot melt is the best adhesive to use, and that no single hang tab is going to be suitable for a 1 kilogram pack. What is happening in store? This is in Big W, using 1 or 2 of the tabs that they've got to hand and stapling them on. A big no-no. You can see here the staple's gone into the area of the pack that's supposed to be airtight, and obviously letting air in, and just a big no-no.